Welcome back for new video at Kenny's. Today we have a 2009 Lexus ES 350 V6. This vehicle show up for check engine lights. It's very nice and clean. I already connect my OBD2 scan tools. So we got a PO158 O2 sensor, circuit 2 high voltage, bank 2 sensor 2. So this vehicle have 4 O2 sensors, 2 on the front, 2 on the back. Bank 2 sensor 2. So I'm gonna show the engine. Stay at the front. So those engines face it this way. So bank 1 sensor 1 will be the top one. Bank 1 sensor 2 will be the bottom or the lower piece, okay? And this bank 2 sensor 1 is going to be a top one right here, okay? Bank 2 sensor 2 is going to be the lower one right here. So this is not only for Lexus, for all the Toyotas with V6 engine side this way. If the engine side this way, the engine will be straight, so it's going to be what do you call them? Bank 1, bank 2. So this is for Toyota Avalon, Sienna, any other Toyota, same thing. You got a lift, you're gonna go up. Now it's up, engine right here. So this is bank 2, which front piece, sensor 2, bank 2 sensor 2, okay? And this is the pipe, the catalytic converter. See this here? The top one, this is bank 1 sensor 1. We got another one in this. You can see it all the way up. It's bank 1, bank 2 sensor 2, sensor 1, sorry. So this is our bad sensor right here. Bank 2 sensor 2. This is bank 1 sensor 2. This one bad one, we're gonna replace it. Take care of this issue for this Lexus. And I got a new one. New sensor, NGK. You can buy it aftermarket, NGK, or from the dealer. So this is part number. I'd like to share this with everyone. Keep watching to save money. So here's the old sensor, like you can see rusty, that we'll replace it. You just need a wrench, 7/8 or 20, size 22, or you can get a O2 sensor socket. If you don't have it, you can use a wrench. This is all set. This vehicle now, the final steps. So OBD2 connector right here. You just need any code reader. OBD2 connector, scan tools to do that. Okay, so there's a code. I'm gonna go back. So right now we're gonna go erase the trouble code. So the code is erased right now. Now we're gonna start it up, check engine light on. See the check engine light disappear. It's all set. This vehicle is all set. Please subscribe and leave comment down below. And it's so simple to replace O2 sensor for any Toyota, any V6 Toyota, Skoda, or Toyota, any V6, Sienna, Avalon, Lexus, same engine. Some of the Forerunner is the same thing. Thank you very much. Keep watching until the end. This is vehicles all set, which is moving out.